Okay, great. So I stopped our conversation so that we could have it on camera. I was talking to Déoné. So basically,
I've done 2 more photo shoots actually.
yeah. The thing I told her was always take a cool photo. Don't let it escape you. The money will come when it comes in whatever form but that's not really the point. You came out here to take a cool photo. So here's what I did after her last shoot. I came up to her clients and then I bullied them to pay her. I said, you guys put something in that person's pocket. And then they said, we'll come back around. They're going to come with 20 Rand. And if not, we're holding their photos ransom.
Yeah, we are. That was actually, it wasn't a lot of photos, but it was beautiful. Both of them together just gave me inspiration for like a sister type of look, you know?
Okay. All right, I like it. Okay, well, fair enough. We still have a bit of a day. In fact, the very best part. It's 5 p.m. and the sun is going down.
And everyone's starting to come out to play.
Exactly. Everyone's coming out to play. All right, so we'll let you know how the rest of the day goes. But so far, it's been a successful day of street photography.
Yeah, it was really.
Amazing.